If you are interested in making a remake of a movie, you need to find out who owns the remake rights, which can be a difficult and daunting process. Hi, James Pacitti, entertainment attorney and production counsel in Los Angeles. I was recently approached by a client who wanted to do a remake of a film that was released in the 1970s. And I had to explain to them that determining who owns all the rights necessary to remake a movie can be a complicated and difficult process. The history of rights owners or chains of title must be researched to find out who currently owns the remake rights to the movie, the rights to the original screenplay of the movie, and the rights to the original work that the movie was based upon, for example, a book or a novel. Copyright owners often change, which makes the process even more difficult. You can start by checking the copyright notice on the original movie. It's a good starting point, but in the case of a film that was released a long time ago, there's a good chance that the rights have changed since that time. Search of the public records through the U.S. Copyright Office probably will be necessary, which you can do yourself, you can do through a law firm, or you can do through a copyright search company. Once the current owner of the original movie has been determined, it'll be necessary to contact that owner to see if they hold the remake rights. Some distributors only have rights to the original film, and so another person or entity may own the remake rights. You also will need to find out the person or entity that holds the rights to the original screenplay. It is often necessary to either obtain permission from the original screenplay holder or purchase the rights yourself, since the screenplay for a remake will very likely include elements from the original screenplay. You also will need to determine who owns the motion picture rights if the original movie was based on a pre-existing work, like I mentioned before, such as a book or a novel or a comic book or graphic novel. The original movie rights owner may still have those rights, or it may have reverted back to the author or creator of the original underlying work. Once all the prospective rights holders are identified and contacted, you can then begin the process of negotiating the various rights necessary to remake the movie. If you have any questions or if you have a project you wish to discuss, don't hesitate to contact us.